Oh, damn. Can you believe how dirty this gray car looks? All right, let's get started. First pass, rinse off all the mud and bugs. For this step, I'm using this slightly acidic cleaner. Fill it up. Okay, good. Now we'll let it sit for about 5 minutes to really break down the grime. These tires are filthy. Look at that. It's dissolving pretty well. Got some greasy film stuck on the glass? No worries, just add a little coating solution, give it a nice polish, and it clears right up. Round 2 with my old reliable cleaner, time for the real wash. Don't forget the floor mats, they need some love too. All right, let's wipe down the body. These rims are actually easy to clean since they're flat. Okay, now grab the towel to soak up the water. This towel is seriously a game changer. But for tight spots, the big towel's no good. So I'll switch to this smaller black one. Let's hit the interior with some conditioner. Wipe it all down. Now that's clean. And done, all wrapped up. If you like this video, hit that like button and follow me. I'll take you along for more car wash relaxing.